Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks. I'm John Swicky, and today on our ever long quest to find a perfect AI productivity tool, we are going to look at Evernote's AI edit feature. So this is going to be a quick little bite today. We're just going to see if this is anything that's worth using or anything that's worth spending our money on. So I have just kind of like a generic blog post that I generated with Claude. So up here in our little toolbar here, we get this little AI edit feature here. So let's select our text and let's see what we can do. Alright, so we can summarize paragraph, extend, bullet. Let's go bullet. Okay, so get a little, alright, that's kind of nice. Little bulleted list here. Alright, let's do fix typos. Let's see what it can find. Benefits. Okay, so it just, I wish it would have told you what was wrong, but alright. Let's see. Translate. One-click translation. That's kind of cool. Change tone. Okay, we don't have change tone yet. Help me write. Title. Unleashing the potential. Yeah, I find when a lot of AIs use like game changing and unleashing a lot of titles. Let's see. So we got help me write. Let's do a conclusion. So I mean, it's nice. One-click translations are kind of cool in your notes if you're doing a lot of notes. Change tone could be cool once that launches. I mean, fix typos. You can easily copy and paste that back into any model. Micro. I don't know what micro is. Micro is kind of like a tweet. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I don't know. It just seems like, you know, for this, it's kind of a, it's nice, but it doesn't really do a whole lot. So let's take a look now on their search. Alright, so we take a look at the search. We pop up in here, we have AI powered search. So we've got a couple of, let's see, show me notes with notes that I created in the last 3 months. Kind of deeper with your query, you know, like notes that I created in the last 3 months. Show me my notes tagged a certain way. What are the to-dos from yesterday's meeting? So that's where I think it can be helpful, very similar to Notion's kind of Q&A feature. I think with the recall of notes and note-taking has always been a problem for me, so I think that this could be an interesting feature set. Definitely a little bit more, I can see using it more than the edit stuff. I think a lot of the times you want to find like that really specific thing, or hey, I bookmarked this document that had a PDF in it. I made a PDF document that talked about stress, you know, something like, you know, more detailed. But so it's kind of a quick look at Evernote's features, you know, as we still kind of try to see how people start to integrate this into their workflows. So I think some okay things. I would say the thing about Evernote is that it is very expensive compared to any other tool right now. So I don't know if it's worth the money just yet, but if you're already a user, these are some pretty good quality of life features. But I don't know where I'm going to go next with that. But thanks for taking a stop by, and let us know if you found any great, you know, to-do list note-taking tools that have great AI integrations. We're always looking for some new stuff to test out. So thanks everybody. We'll see you soon.